Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to discuss about a main branch of science, which is physics, and how physics relate with other sciences. So let's move toward our topic. What is physics? Physics is a fundamental branch of science that seeks to understand the fundamental laws and principles governing the behavior of matter, energy, and in the universe. It encompasses a wide range of phenomena from the tiniest particle to the vastest of space. Physics is a natural science that seeks to understand and explain fundamental principles and laws governing the behavior of matter, energy, and their interactions in the universe. It explores the nature of the physical world from the smallest particle to the vastness of space. The word physics originates from the Greek word physis, meaning nature. It is a study of nature and its most fundamental level, aiming to uncover the underlying rules and patterns that govern the physical phenomena we observe. Physics involves a systematic approach to understanding the natural world through observation, experimentation, and mathematical analysis. It seeks to formulate theories and models that can explain and predict the behavior of physical systems. These theories are based on empirical evidence and are constantly refined and tested through experimental verification. The scope of physics is vast, covering a wide range of phenomena and scales. It encompasses both the microscopic realm of subatomic particles and the microscopic scale of galaxies and the universe. Physicists study topics such as motion, force, energy, heat, light, electricity, magnetism, waves, sound, optics, quantum mechanics, relativity, thermodynamics, and more. Physics is a fundamental science that serves as a basis for the other branches of natural sciences, including chemistry, biology, astronomy. It provides foundation for the technological evidence and has practical application in various fields such as engineering, medicine, telecommunications, energy production, and environmental sciences. Overall, physics is a discipline that seeks to unravel the mystery of the natural world by exploring its underlying principle, discovering new phenomena, and expanding our understanding of the universe we inhabit. Physics can play a significant role in aiding studies in several ways. Here are some ways in which physics can help various academic disciplines. Number 1. Mathematics. Physics relies heavily on mathematical concepts and tools for formulating theories, analysis, data, and making predictions. Studying physics can enhance your mathematical skills, including algebra, calculus, geometry, and statistics. Physics problems can require applying mathematical concepts to real-world situations, forecasting, problem solving abilities, and logical reasoning. Number 2. Engineering. Many engineering disciplines such as mechanical, electrical, and civil engineering rely on the principles and laws of physics. Understanding physics can provide a strong foundation for engineering studies as it helps you comprehend how force, motion, energy, and materials behave. The principles of physics are applied in areas like structural analysis, fluid dynamics, electrical circuits, and thermodynamics. Physics and chemistry are closely intertwined disciplines. Physics provides the underlying principles that govern the behavior of atoms, molecules, and the interaction between them. Understanding concepts like quantum mechanics, atomic structure, and molecular interaction from physics can enhance your understanding chemical phenomena and mechanisms. Number 4. Biology. Physics play a role in understanding biological systems and processes. Biophysics explore how physics principles apply to biological systems such as the mechanics of muscles, the properties of cell membrane, or the behavior of DNA. Knowledge of physics can help you analyze and interpret data from biological experiments, such as studying movement of organisms or the properties of biological material. Number 5. Environmental sciences. Physics contributes to the understanding of various environmental phenomena. It helps to explain concepts like climate change, atmospheric physics, and the behavior of fluid in the Earth system. Knowledge of physics can aid in studying topics such as energy transfer, environmental monitoring, and the impact of human activities on the environment. Physics is a fundamental to the study of the universe. By understanding the laws of physics, you can comprehend the behavior of celestial bodies, the nature of light and electromagnetic radiation, the principle of gravity, and the structure of universe. This knowledge is essential for pursuing study in astronomy, astrophysics, or space science. Moreover, studying physics cultivates critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and scientific mindset. It promotes a deeper understanding of the natural world, fosters curiosity, and encourages analytical reasoning. These skills are valuable across a wide range of academic disciplines, helping you approach complex problems with a logical and systematical approach. Overall, physics provides a solid foundation for interdisciplinary studies and equips you with essential skills that can enhance your academic performance in various fields of study. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.